This episode almost didn't happen. I was under the weather Thanksgiving Day, totally missed out on all the festivities. However, it's all good, but this video is going to be brief, so we are hitting it real quick for continuity's sake. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and welcome to another episode of Last Week Crypto. Every Sunday, we review the performance of the largest cryptocurrencies, top gainers, as well as the latest global news stories affecting the crypto markets this past week. This week, we will discuss the pullback, the current state of traditional markets, potential government regulations, as well as some key concepts to keep in mind during this protracted bull run over the next year or so. To check out the links to all of the articles we discuss, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. This week's episode is brought to you by Crypto.com, an exchange with over 55 different cryptocurrencies. And if you use the link below to sign up for Crypto.com, you'll receive $25 worth of cryptocurrency for free when you use the referral code CryptoCasey, all while supporting the channel. Every Wednesday, I conduct a weekly AMA or Ask Me Anything at Instagram.com/CryptoCasey. So use the link to my one and only official Instagram account listed in the description area to follow me and ask me anything you want every Wednesday. Sweet. Let's hit a brief Last Week Crypto. So we did it! Despite my personal bearish outlook last week, Ethereum's ETH 2.0 deposit hits 148% of the required 524,288 ETH. Despite this extremely bullish news, the markets have had, in my opinion, a healthy pullback and are consolidating nicely. But so many people screaming that Bitcoin will go into a death spiral now. It won't. It will trade sideways for a week. The launch of Ethereum 2.0 is next week. A lot of new people will enter the crypto space next week. Trend is your friend. If in doubt, zoom out. So true. And for those of us that have been in Bitcoin a long time, the question isn't whether Bitcoin will win. The question is how painful getting there will be. But Casey, the stock market is rocking this week. Not so fast. Savage Spin will tell it to you straight. Negative earnings growth, a global recession, millions unemployed, and still markets make new highs. Also, investment firm Van Eck declares Bitcoin less volatile than many stocks. Van Eck's latest research appears to be an effort towards calming investor fears about Bitcoin, as well as the SEC's. Look, at the end of the day, the traditional markets are still operating off of zero fundamentals. The signal is monetary expansion everywhere. The problem is people are going to lose half of their wealth in a few years. The solution is Bitcoin. The rest is noise. But Casey, the US dollar and traditional economy has stood the test of time. Bitcoin is too new and obscure to actually protect your wealth. Not so sure about that. Lest we forget, Fiat, 49 years old. Bitcoin, 12 years old. In case you're wondering, fiat money is also an experiment. However, among the people that have been investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology,
there's this fear, I think irrational fear, that some government is going to ban cryptocurrency. And so the whole nature of cryptocurrency is that's not possible.
Here's the deal. The US government is not going to ban cryptocurrency. In fact, the US government enlisted USDC for a global foreign policy objective in Venezuela. Payment startup Circle, the stablecoin issuer, is working with the US government to bypass dictator Nicolas Maduro and support the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. Circle is using USDC to distribute relief funds to medical workers and other Venezuelan locals. So yeah, the government already knows what's up and is openly using this technology. But Casey, even if the government didn't ban cryptocurrency, there are scenarios where, let's say, the Trump administration may rush out burdensome crypto wallet rules. This proposed regulation would, we think, require financial institutions like Coinbase to verify the recipient owner of the self-hosted wallet, collecting identifying information on that party before a withdrawal could be sent to that self-hosted wallet. Will policies like this come to fruition before Trump leaves office? I personally doubt it. Will policies like this come to fruition eventually? Yes, probably. Which is why I beg and plead you guys every week to make sure you are migrating your cryptocurrency off of exchanges and onto cold storage hardware wallets. Now, don't wait for policymakers to catch up and start trying to take control over your hard-earned wealth. The best time to get a cold storage hardware wallet was yesterday. The next best time is today. So scroll down to the description area below to access the correct and official sites of my recommended hardware wallets. BC Vault is my personal favorite. Another option is the Ledger Nano Backup Pack, so scroll down and check them out. So you need to hedge against our faltering financial system, and Bitcoin is an option. I mean, even Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz thinks everyone should put 2 to 3% of their net worth in Bitcoin. He says Bitcoin is for everyone and argues that those committing 2 to 3% of their net worth to this digital asset today will see substantial gains in 5 years. And once you have Bitcoin, protect and secure it with cold storage hardware wallets. Following that, you also need to protect your ability to generate income. And there are a ton of opportunities currently available in the cryptocurrency and blockchain tech space. And those opportunities will continue to exponentially increase. This bull run will be a massive job creation event for the Bitcoin economy. So if you're interested in learning how to become a developer in the industry or learn more about the advanced technical concepts of blockchain technology, the best and pretty much only resource available to my knowledge is Ivan on Tech's Academy. Using the link in the description area, you can access the Academy at a discounted price. So scroll down and check it out. Massive adoption is coming. I mean, take it from the PayPal CEO who states, "Our platform will significantly bolster the utility of cryptocurrencies. PayPal's new crypto services will streamline business adoption of digital assets." At the end of the day, Bitcoin is the biggest short. And if you don't understand that reference, here's your homework assignment for the week. Watch the movie The Big Short while thinking about our current economy and Bitcoin's implications. The rest of the week, the rest of the year, the rest of this insane bull market, keep in mind, there is no light without darkness. There is no joy without sadness. There is no pump without dump. Always buy the dip. Well, that was Last Week Crypto with me, Crypto Casey. If you enjoyed the episode, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. To check out the links to all of the articles we discuss, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. So did your portfolios get in the red zone this week? Are you going to keep holding strong? Or is this market a little too wild for you? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, we are just getting started. Be safe out there.